the murderer safari. It's the boat. He's the boat, the better boat. If you want to know, if you want to see more, look at these instructions. He's saying where to go and where we're going to go in our adventure. It's going to be a long way. There's going to be big rivers, and we're going to go to see many landmarks, which I'm going to keep a surprise from you, so you guys don't know everything. You can see it faster if you watch our day 20 video. Now, this is. Oh my god. It's a really risky way to record. Our dad is literally recording us in the edge of the boat, like Titanic or something. Oh, he's going to fall. Don't do that. That's not safe. But this is so cool. It's so cool, yeah. Look at that saw. Guys, using kindness. Oh no, they're coming so fast. Slow down. What? They're selling fruits in the ocean. Actually smart, because fishes can't go to land. Holy crap! I saw! Oh my gosh! Oh wait, record, Tata, record. Made it to the first destination. Don't put your hands. Oh no, I'm not doing this. I don't want to know if it's good or not.
Photo like photo.
I'm making. Oh my gosh! They're making my pants. Don't check.
Okay.
This is called fish therapy, and it makes you laugh so hard. And it was nice. The feet nimbling was cool. And now it's ticklish. And now we're going back. Foot massage. I need my shoes. My shoes are there. Could you get it?
Give me hand for mommy.
We came back from the thing, from the nimbly thing. Now we're going back to another. Yo, there's so much places here. Statue of Buddha. Yeah, but just like the Buddha statue, we aren't going to it. We're just stopping to it. From the ground, from dead. What are you going to name him? I'm going to name him Timmy. He'll be brothers with Stuart. Oh my God! Hi, please. We know it's not started. Move. Okay, yeah. Wait. Okay. Just cinnamon.
Yeah. That's great.
Smells like cinnamon in here.
He's going to explain how to do.
Okay, I'm going to explain. Not him, he.
Welcome to Sri Lanka, Island. We say I1 like traditional way of greeting from Sri Lanka. I1 is may you live long, like 60 years, 70 years, 80 years, and so on. Here we would like to present you a brief demonstration about cinnamon. There are mainly two types of cinnamon in the world: Ceylon cinnamon and Cassia cinnamon. Maybe these kids might not be knowing. Previously, Sri Lanka was known as Ceylon. That's why it's called Ceylon cinnamon. There is then another type called Cassia cinnamon, which is grown in Indonesia and Vietnam. However, Ceylon cinnamon is regarded as the best cinnamon in the world. You will be serving cinnamon tea in a short while without black tea, which you are using in general at home, and without sugar. With sugar, tasty; without sugar, healthy. When you use cinnamon, like cinnamon powder or cinnamon sticks, while making curries and tea also, benefits of using cinnamon such as powder and pieces, and also having cinnamon tea, health benefits of cinnamon tea are almost similar. Therefore, I will try to brief this one first. When you drink cinnamon tea at least 2 times in a day, morning in empty stomach, night time before sleep, these are the many benefits you get. It lowers blood sugar level. It doesn't mean it will cure diabetes, but that blood sugar level goes down. It lowers cholesterol level. Mainly there are two types of cholesterol, LDL and HDL. LDL is a bad cholesterol. It will be reduced, not 100%, but a reasonable amount will be removed from the body. It lowers onset of chronic illness. There are some diseases lasting long time, such as gastritis, will be reduced. It reduces inflammation. Body parts sometimes swollen, red color, redness, red color color. That is reduced. It treats menstrual cramps of ladies, which happens monthly. It helps in weight loss. When someone drinks cinnamon tea at least twice in a day, at least during first 6 months, his or her weight will be reduced at least by 2 to 3 kilograms during first 6 months. Not only the weight, but also the waist will be reduced at least by 2 inches. Not exactly 2 inches, slightly maybe less, slightly maybe more, because this one has manganese. Cinnamon tea. The manganese will melt the belly fat or the lipid deposit in this area, thus reducing the waist. It will boost up the immune system, resistance to disease, food digestion also it will help. This is cinnamon tea without sugar, only cinnamon and water. I will tell you how to make it. Yeah. It will boost the function of brain. This one has antifungal and antiviral properties also.
Thank you. Thanks.
Sorry.
Cinnamon has antioxidant. Whatever the medicine, either Ayurvedic herb or any Western medicine has antioxidant that will destroy cancer cells at its primary stage. It doesn't mean it will eliminate the cancer, but destroy cancer cells very minimal amount. Like I really don't know the exact percentage, but it's only at the primary stage, not medicine gone out. Now we will show you how cinnamon is extract or removed from the cinnamon plant branches. Lanka,
කොළඹ සහ ගාල්ල මම ගාල්ල.
ගාල්ලන පුරු කරනවා දැකලා ඇද්ද?
අපි නම් දැකලා නැහැ first time තමයි දැක්කේ.
අයි.
දැකලා නැහැ.
Yeah, can you see this one?
මේ කුරුල් තලනවා කියන්නේ දැන් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කුරුල් තලන්න යන්නේ දිනෙදා කපලා තමයි අද උදේ කපනවා තරම් පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය. ඒ තමයි කුරුල් තලන්නේ. දැන් අද කපලා හෙට තලන්න තියාගන්නේ. අද කපලා පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය තමයි අද මෙයා කරගන්නේ. කපාලා කුරුල් ගස් කපාලා.
Do you understand?
No. Understand?
No.
No.
No. Okay, I'll tell you that. I translate. Okay. Actually, suppose you want come again, it was not again about.
ඊට පස්සේ මේ කුරුඳු මේ මෙන්න මේ ආයුධ වර්ග තුන තමයි මේ තලන්න ප්‍රයෝගී කරගන්නේ. මේකට කියනවා ගානගත්ත කියන සවුත් කියන මේක පිත්තල බාරක. මේක මේ පීය මේ තුනෙන්ම කරගන්න කාර්යයක් තියෙනවා මේ පොත් එක ඉවත් කරගන්න. මේ උඩ පොත් එක ඉවත් කරනවා මෙන්න මේ විදිහට මේ ගානගත්තේ. ඒ විදිහට.
In Ceylon cinnamon, we do remove the outer skin, outer layer. But whereas in case of cinnamon, they use together with the outer layer. What he said at the beginning, suppose he want to, suppose he is actually, he is not a professional in this one, but he is doing this one. But if he is experienced, he knows, okay, today only I can do this one only 50 sticks. So he will cut only 50 sticks only in the morning, correct? Because if you cut it today and leave it, this becomes dry. Becomes dry, and once it is dry, the skin, the layer will be cracked. That's why. Correct. That's why it cuts. Generally, it cut. He will cut it in the morning only. This is the outer skin, but not edible. Cannot eat. Can use as a.
But this is not used, no?
Not used.
Not used.
Can use as a fertilizer.
Only
used for fertilizer.
As a fertilizer.
Yes.
with mosquito coming.
Burn like a smoke.
To burn.
It's more coming.
It smells kind of okay. Smells like the tea.
මේක කරන්නේ මේක මේ තලනවා කියන එක තමයි මේ කරන්නේ තලනවා කියන එක අර පහර දීමක් නෙවෙයි මේ විදිහට පොඩි වේට් එකක් දාලා මනිනවා ඒ රෆ් කරනවා ඒක ගාගුවාම මේ ගහයි කොත්තයි අතර තියෙන සම්බන්ධතාවය දීයේ කොත්තයි අතර තියෙන සම්බන්ධතාවය දිලිනවා ගලව ගන්න නෙවෙයි.
Doing the outer skin, he uses this bronze rod, it's a non-ferrous metal. Rub it hard over the clean area, which will make it easy to remove the inner layer, what we call bark, from the hardwood. Only one layer is exists, and after that you will find this hardwood. This hardwood can be used to make toothpicks, and for firewood, for cooking purpose.
That's how they use it for firewood. I know, that's crazy. Trying to find it.
Is there any specific lengths?
Of course, actually, in the older days, they used to make one stick about 1 meter. You cannot make 1 meter stick, but actually, what happened? I will tell you one by one.
21.
So, older days, but they, once you remove this one bark, we join this one at the ends like this, and previously used to make 1 inch height and make one bale of 50 kilograms. Now, the standard size of making by joining is about 21 inches. Yes, correct. Like this, we join at the each end, and we will insert another 2-3 layers and another.
පොඩි පිළියක් පොඩි. ඊට පස්සේ මේ විදිහට කට්. ඒ දානවා මෙතන මෙයා කරලා ෆිල්ටර්.
අපි කොච්චරලා කරනවද අර සලන එක?
මේ දාන එක අර තරණ එක්කලා දැන් යාට
දැනෙන්නේ
ඔව් එයා දන්නවා මේක දැන් කරවන්න පුළුවන් කියලා.
එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකම තමයි.
එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකෙන් තමයි මේක තියෙන්නේ. නැත්නම් මේ කරන්න බෑ.
Experience plus there's some time, what do you call some moisture comes appear on this surface, rock surface. That is the time we start the work. That is also one.
Getting wet.
Yeah, that is what I have observed.
Yeah.
මේ විදිහට මේ කරනවා.
Like here, this is called bark, of course. Not dog bark, like this one. It goes like this after this one. Once removed, you will find the hardwood.
Look at they are removed.
And this process is done by manual. No machines are being used for this so far.
No any machine.
No animations.
Even abroad also.
Abroad also, I think, yes. In India, they do.
There are.
But I don't know why, because since I am not, I'm working at temple, for example, like,
This is the one.
I will tell you the reason also why, you can feel this man here.
Yes, after do you make the dry like that?
Yes,
There is anything apply after for this one?
No.
Can I try?
No any apply.
Can I try?
Huh? But how it orange color?
It smells weird.
At each end.
Stop smelling it so much. That's so good.
Standard size. Plus, small pieces for another 2-3 layers.
Are you sure you're smelling the same thing I'm smelling?
പറയുന്നത്
ස්කින් එක දාන්න ඒක වැරදි විදිහට.
ඔව් ඒක අර බරතන
Cinnamon leaf oil, cinnamon leaf oil. Kunu tel ke lagyan. That is the way, there is a neat sketch here how it produced. Production of cinnamon oil from cinnamon leaves. This is good, mainly good for joint pain. Mainly good for joint pain. Wherever pain is there at the joint, like we had the wrist, elbow, spine cord, all hips, knees or ankles. What you should do first, massage that place, particular place by bare hand, 3 to 5 minutes, right? Or as an alternative, you can take a cotton cloth, put it in hot or warm water, massage it 3 to 5 minutes, then apply 3 or 4 drops. Just spread it, never rub it hard. The pain will go off. It can be used for severe toothache. Just severe toothache, take one cotton bud and put it there. Do not drink, only one drop. It will go off. Yeah. It can be used for severe headache, but it is only for acute headache, which comes and goes off. People cannot bear it, severe headache. But we suggest you not to apply on forehead, because slowly this cinnamon oil may drain downwards and touches the eyes. Once it touches with the eyes, you may feel the burning sensation. Very difficult to bear it.
So headache for where we want
So what we should do is we will rub at the side, first massage at the eye sides, and put one drop here, one drop, just spread it. Headache will go off, because oil will never drain sidewards. It goes down. Now, in case if it happen to touch with the eyes, you must wash with fresh water. But this is only for acute headache, but this oil is not for headache. But if someone has a nose block, for example, you can put 2 or 3 drops, or 3, 4 also, okay, 4 hot water, close the whole area, close eyes and steam it. Inhale it. Then the block will go off. Other thing, this is, there are limitations for headache. Suppose someone has a continuous headache throughout the day, continuous headache, or periodical headache, which comes time to time throughout the day. This is not good. That type of headache not going to help this one, because this is mainly for joint pain. That can be due to migraine, or maybe high blood pressure, maybe less blood supply to brain, or maybe internal bleeding of any organ, or it can be something else. You have to go to a doctor for that. Because this is mainly for joint pain, especially those who have arthritis and all in your pains. It will give the relief. It doesn't mean it will cure arthritis, but it will give a sudden relief. This is like a painkiller. For external use, there is no side effects. Very fast moving item here, everybody buys also. That is actually cinnamon pain relief oil that can be applied all over the body for muscle pain also. Once you apply this one, if you try, I can try here. You may feel burning sensation, but it won't burn or damage your skin.
So what will happen if somebody swallow it?
So no, we should not swallow.
No, other,
Somebody
somehow,
say,
somehow.
I do not know. Now see, in my life I never drink alcohol, but I learned biology in my level science level. But I know we don't have to drink everything. Alcohol not required to drink alcohol to know the results of that. We have seen how people are behaving when they drink over this one, and whatever Buddha says, we cannot see everything. Buddha also we cannot see, but what he has said, 100% correct.
Yeah,
Or
that's
any religion.
Any reason.
So, sir, up to you.
That's the nature.
Yeah, up to you to believe or not. So
yeah.
you believe and follow the good path, you will get good results.
Yeah.
You don't follow. Buddha never say kill or don't kill. If you will, these are the results.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up to you, sir.
It's up to you.
Yes, correct.
Thank you very much.
You can have a look.
You didn't tell us how to
Make cinnamon tea.
make a cinnamon tea. Yeah.
Cinnamon tea can be made either from cinnamon powder or from stick. Powder very easy. If you don't have powder, you take a dried cinnamon sticks, dried one, and break it. It's not very hard. Break it into smaller pieces. Use a blender or grinder. Make powder by yourself at your home. Okay, if you have, you can buy powder. Okay, if you don't have powder, you can make powder by yourself. Take a hot water glass and take a teaspoon size, not tablespoon, small one, teaspoon size of cinnamon powder. Put it into the hot water glass. Just stir it. Close it from top. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes time. Then you can see but after 5 minutes, golden color cinnamon tea appears. Then take a strainer, filter it, and drink in the morning before. In empty stomach.
So we don't add
No,
tea.
no. Actually, tea. If you want, you can add.
Ah,
Of course.
okay.
By the color, what you drink now, actually, another one is from the pieces. This is pieces by using pieces good. Of course, powder there is a benefit.
Yeah.
So if you make cinnamon tea by using powder, it is quick and fast. And for when you are applying for like making curry, while eating the powder also goes inside the stomach along with the food. That helps for like faster metabolism, like food digestion. That is the benefit. But once you use stick for making curries before eating, we don't swallow the sticks. We throw the sticks away. That is the thing. How to make cinnamon tea by using sticks? What you drink now, that is by using sticks. For example, like tomorrow morning you want to make cinnamon tea by using stick. Take a dry cinnamon stick, break it into smaller pieces such as 1 inch. Not required to be exactly 1 inch, but almost like 1 inch. Take minimum of 5 pieces, or you can take more than that if you have 8, 10 or above. If you have more family members at home, put these pieces into half liter of normal water in the evening, today evening, and leave it till tomorrow morning. Do not change the water or pieces. Same water, same pieces. Tomorrow morning, boil it on the fire. After about 15 to 20 minutes time, because it was soaked in the water almost 10 to 11 hours plus.
Yeah.
So within 15 or 20 minutes time, when the water is boiling, you can see the golden color cinnamon tea formed. Remove it, you can drink it when temperature comes down. These pieces can be reused. Remove those pieces, put it into sit down. Namaskar.
I want.
Remove those pieces which you have used once, put it into another half liter of normal water, leave it till tomorrow night. Night time, boil it and drink. 2 times. Same pieces which you have used to remove and put it into another half liter of new water, wait till day after tomorrow morning. Boil it and drink. We suggest you to do so only 2 to 3 times. You can go for the if you want 4, 6 and so on. But there is less benefit. Why? Even if you make a curry, vegetable fish or chicken or mutton curry, same curry prepared one, the more number of times you apply heat, it will destroy more vitamins, more minerals. More you heat up, more vitamins. Same thing is applicable to this also. So better to do 2 to 3 times. Can go further also.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, after.
My son has
Yeah. This cinnamon
all the cinnamon products. This one like if you want to put tea, like not feel comfortable.
Cinnamon?
Cinnamon pieces, yes. Powder we have it.
I'm talking to you, little dog. I'm talking to you, little dog. How about at home, Dad?
Yeah.
Who's it?
No, just so you smelly.
I went inside my nose. For me. I want.
You have one company, yeah?
Actually, we are only the staff only. Both we are you come on board the place. Walau, they are the owners. Real boss is in Colombo now. They are actually like family distance. Brother, there's no but guys, like a police. They are all brothers. They run the business.
It's a family
But this
business.
one belongs to a person or behind. He is now in Colombo.
The
ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා ඉතින් බෝට්ටුනේ අපි මගේ ළම ගොඩක් කට්ටිය රික්වෙස්ට් දැක්කා එන්නේ. ඉතින් හැමෝම එන්නේ මේ රූට් එකමද?
මේ රූට් එක සමහරක් කට්ටිය කොද්දුවටත් යනවා. කොද්දුව ටිකක් දුරයි. කොද්දුව කියලා හැම දිනම තැනක් නැහැ. කොද්දුව කියලා තියෙන පන්සලක්.
පන්සලක්
ඒක රජමහා විහාරය.
අරගෙන මොන ෂොප් එකක් දාලා මොන හරි කරන්න පුළුවන් ලස්සන වැඩක් පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් ලංකාවේ තියෙන කුරුදු දාකට ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන් ගොඩාක් බේස් වර්ග හදනවා
කුරුදු වුණා කුරුන්ගේ බොන්න පුළුවන් නම් කරන ගුණයි අනිත් ඒවා බොන්න එපා කියනවා නෙවෙයි ඒක විදිහම අර කියපු දේවල් කියනවා ඒවා බලන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ටර්නෙට් you can go to internet and search
අපි ගොඩාක්
benefit of cinema you can having cinema too all this will give it won't give medicine that is there are doctors for that it will guide certain guidelines are there correct Google cannot be medicine then we don't require doctors
It's not the perfectly medicine, that is only for just controlling.
yes correct
It's 4:56. Back now. Time is 4:56. The time is 4:56. Namaskar. That's the name of the dog. Bye, Namaskar. Now we're going to the. Look at the sign. Oh yeah, look at the sign. It's still there. Now we're going back in the ocean. Let's go.
Going to drinks now, Kerala.
Let's go. We're going to the shop. Ice cream, chocolate flavor. Hey. Drinking ice cream in the water. It's moving.